Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm gonna try to make original, easy to make fried rice. Okay, a very simple method. So, uh, I'm gonna heating up. This one is a cooked rice, so already frozen one. Just use microwave oven, heating up, making hot, and using egg, long leek, had earring mushroom. It's called trumpet mushroom. We call earring mushroom, and winner sausage. So seasoning, my favorite 白だし pepper. Okay. So this long leek just mix up end of a pot. Winner sausage. So this is a big point of you must heating up frying pan, high flame. So you can see that little bit white smoke coming up. It's already high temperature heating up. This is very important if you wanna try to make a fried rice. It's a low temperature, then you just sauteed and rice and veggie and meat. It's very sticky on the bottom of a frying pan. You must heating up this condition. So you can see the white smoke like that. High flame. Okay. So see? White smoke coming up. This is the timing for making saute. Little bit salad oil. Like this. High flame. Always. Hot rice. You must use hot rice. Okay. I'm always using 白だし because if you use some regular soy sauce, getting dark color. So this one is a white soy sauce. That's why. Doesn't making color dark. A little bit like this. See? Not taking hot. fry pan. No sticky. And this is a good point. You must eat in a frying pan. Okay, いただきます。My original winner sausage fried rice. Very easy to make. いただきます。Delicious, very tasty. It's not so difficult. Please try it. It's so good. Very easy to make. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time. Thank you. Have a good fried rice.